Multiplication, the 10 times table. The 10 times table shows lots of 10. One lot of 10 is 10. Two lots of 10 is 20. 3 lots of 10 is 30. The 10 times table always ends with a 0. 1 times 10 is 10. 2 times 10 is 20. 3 times 10 is 30. 4 times 10 is 40. 5 times 10 is 50. 6 times 10 is 60. 7 times 10 is 70. 8 times 10 is 80. 9 times 10 is 90. 10 times 10 is 100. 11 times 10, 110. 12 times 10, 120. Can you see the pattern? Multiplying a whole number by 10 looks like it just adds a 0 to that number. Let's look at a place value chart. 4 times 10 is the same as 4 lots of 10. In our columns, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 lots of 10. If we add up, starting with our ones, we add the units, it's 0. If we add the tens, it's 4. So 4 times 10, or 4 lots of 10, is 40. When we're multiplying a whole number by 10, adding the units column is always 0, which is why it looks like we're adding a 0 to the number we're multiplying. Remember, the 10 times table shows lots of 10. Multiplying a whole number by 10 looks like it adds a 0 to that number.